you won't believe it, 4 prompts. So here I am in the ChatGPT o1 preview model, and today let us see if it's possible to create an AI image generator utilizing the DALL E3 API, and the goal is to do this all with AI. So first off, let me create a prompt. Write code for an AI image generator using the DALL E3 API. And let's focus for now using Next JS. Use Next JS. Keep it easy to follow, as if someone who never coded could replicate it. Requirements for the app, and let me make sure I spell this out. All right, so first is need an input form where I can type in the image prompts, and then say to generate images. Number 2, let's do the image must have let's put an icon that makes it easy to download and save to my computer. And then let's do have a download icon, makes it easy to save computer. And then let's do third one. I want the ability to, at least right now, hold on, let me make sure. Oh yeah. For now, I think this will be okay. But I'm trying to think, because the one thing is, let's say maybe a refresh button that will regenerate the same prompt again. And then let's see, maybe that might be too complicated for right now. Let's just do this. We need the input to type in the images, and the image we download, the computer. And 3 is the AI image preview displays nicely on the desktop screen, and whenever I type a new prompt, the image will be replaced with the new AI image generated. And then for now, let's just keep it like this. I want to see, is it possible first, if this even works, because I've seen, and I have a general idea of how to do it the basic way, where you just connect the API and you get an image link. But what I'm trying to recreate is essentially DALL-E, Stable Diffusion, pretty much Midjourney, but the bare minimum. And okay, so here it says to set up a next project, which I have started already. It's telling us we need to install Axios. Ooh, been a minute. All right, so let's try this. And then it's saying set up env file. Yep. Okay, so here I have a Next.js project, and if you've never created one, you can search up, or you can do the right here, this npm create next app, and then this is just like the file name. But for right now, I'm just gonna follow along with this and do whatever it says, and we'll see what result we get. So I'll install Axios. Here is my src. All right, so let's see. We're gonna need the env file, so do .env. Got my OpenAI key, which I will show you how to update that later. Let's see, is there anything else I need to install? So see, this is the part I hate, is just using the outdated version where it uses the pages and then the index. So right now we don't even use this for the current one for next, because it's just on the general folder. So I'm just gonna have to go here and foam. Let's see. Yeah, let's just go here and let's see what happens. So this, I already know this is not gonna work because watch. we have some state action here. Let's see what happens. Let it load. Yup. So you state. Yeah, we're gonna need to use the client. So let me go up here. Use clients. Save this, and that should display it. Okay. And then next, all right, yeah. So it's kind of hard to see, but let's see. Okay. Now it's saying API routes, and then touch pages API generate image JS. So this is what it did last time for the other app, where it said it made me make a pages, but the setup for at least this right now, it's different because of the way Next has been updated. So first, let's go to API here, and then it says generate-image.js, and it wants this code. So we'll just call this one, for simplicity's sake, I'll just call this genim.tsx, and then let's add in this code here, paste this bad boy here, and then let's see, post request, yup, and then we can test the app. Final code is here, and this. So this part we're gonna see, because I'm pretty sure it's gonna change it to routes, which is gonna be fun to deal with. But maybe not. We'll see first if this actually goes and works. All right, so now we need to go and where's my hold on. So you gotta go to the OpenAI first, your accounts, and you need to go to API keys, and then you go here and create a new secret key. So I'll call this one AI image default create secret key, and this is gonna give you a secret key, and it specifically states that you have to get it and copy it right now, because the minute you close this, you can't use it. So I copied this now. Let me go here, change it on my API key here. Let's save this, and then I'm gonna cancel that after the video, so don't worry. But again, if you are watching this, make sure you do not share this with anybody, or else they could rack up your API to a lot of money unless you go here and delete it. So just keep that in mind. Do not share that. And then go to, it's either usage or it's on your it's somewhere on your billing. You have to add credits. If you don't add credits, then it's not gonna work for you, right? So first off, let's go back here. Let's go here. First off, let's go ahead and let me restart this really quick. Hold on. Control C, npm run dev. I'll refresh. And I don't like this color, but it doesn't really bother me right now. We'll see if this works. Dog in space. Let me see if I press enter. Let's see what happens. So I don't see anything. Pose API generate image. Image doesn't look like it's displaying. Let me see. Let me go to inspect. Hold on 1 second. 1 second. Console. Fail to load 404. Okay. Let's see here. So I got some of these errors, which is always fun. Let's copy these in here. And again, if I were to code this like line by line, it'd probably be easier to debug, but the whole point of this is to utilize ChatGPT's O1 preview so that this works. So I'm gonna say I type a prompt in the input bar, no images display, and then I see this error in the console when I inspect the page. However, in my terminal, when I enter a prompt, I do see this message appear, which I will copy this right here, go here, yet I don't see any images displaying on the desktop. And let's see, we'll keep that for now. I think, let me check something real quick. I want to see if this even did anything, because then I could also confirm, but based off of what it looks like, yeah, I don't even think it went through. So let's press enter, and let's see if we can get this app fully built in under 4 prompts. That would be incredible. But if it can fix this, I'm guessing there's going to be another one I'm going to have to ask for the questions, but we're going to have to see. So look at this thought process. All right, this is pretty crazy. All right, so inner pages API generate image. All right, so pages API generate image. Yup. So pages out located at exactly API lowercase, not API. File page generate image be directly inside the API folder, not nested. Generate image. So let me maybe rename this, because they might have wrote a code. So generate dash image, and then let's see here. Restart development server. Yup. Localhost. API/generate image. Oh, that's cool. So say, let's try this. So yes, when I go here, it's gonna say this page is not found. So I'm pretty sure from the last one, if I change this to hold on, let me change this to, go back. Alright, so let me say it. So yeah, it looks like error method not allowed. Still not recognized. So yeah, so it looks like the API route is incorrect. Correct for your syntax errors, which I think this one is fine. And then yeah, blah. Yup. Review the fetch request and index. Let's see here. It should be pointing. Okay, yeah. So this part here. All right. So first off, there are a couple squiggly red lines here, but I want to make sure. Where's it at? Yeah, API slash. So let me go here and make sure. Slash. Yeah, see, so it's not targeting it. If I do slash, I have to go to SRC, then yeah, that doesn't make sense. All right, yup. API routes, true, yup. Ensure you have node. Next, update API log route console. Modify route to log incoming request. Ooh, okay. Yup. What is the, let me see, am I even targeting? Hold on. Let me make sure this code is even utilizing the request response. OpenAI, yup. Okay, yeah, so I got a couple things. All right, so first of all, this is interesting. So let's go console log here. And then I need to put this on the generate image. All right, so yep. Method not allowed. So I already have this. Quest 405, yeah. Okay, so I just gotta console log this part. Yeah, let's go here. Paste. Let's put generate image again. Not found. Compiled underscore not found in. Alright, so it says API route hit. Yeah, it doesn't even say anything. Hold on. Dog in space. Let me try this again. Yeah, when I enter that, let's check the console now. Let's go here. Freezing link reloaded. There's not even console log in this, right? So yeah, so first of all, what we need to do is one, I'm gonna say, so still these errors are showing on the generate dash image.tsx file on line 4. This the rec and res have red lines. On line 32, the error is red in this code, this line. And then let's see, compile, page tsx, let me sure here. Let's do, what is this, line 9? Yeah, line 9, the E is red error line, and my folder structure is src app slash api slash rates image.tsx, and still code isn't working. Let me see. Yeah, it looks like that. Let's try this. So here it is. It shows the folder structures difference. So this is what I was trying to do. Yeah. It was, so now it's say API generate dash image. So here API new folder generate dash image, and then in here I'll drag this in, and then I'll change this to routes tsx, and then yup, this should be good. And then now it's using the updated. So this is what it did last time. Basically, you just gotta update the code here. This is in the route tsx. Yeah, so let's try this updated code here. No red there. Okay. And then let's see. Alright, yeah, it's fixing TypeScript errors in API route, that's fine. And then we have this for the page. Let's see what changed. Yeah, TypeScript should already be here. Environment, Axios. All right, so now I gotta go here, and then yeah, so it looks like that's there. So now, is there anything else? Nope. All right. Now we will close this out. Let's try this again. All right, so let's just type in dog in space. Okay, what happened here? One error. End of JSON output 21. Interesting. Okay. Let's see here. 24 age. Alright, so now let me copy this and then say unexpected end of JSON inputs. When I try to make an image, it says this. And the terminal, and on the screen it says this error. Where's my for line 21? That's line 21, right? Yeah. All right, let's see if this can do it. All right, so it says here terminal error, browser error. Okay. So it's saying the route tsx incorrectly defaulting function. And then, all right, so here it says navigate tsx. All right, let's try that. See if this does anything. And then yep. All right, let's see here. Update TX to an export function. No default export, so this routes. Let's see if this fixes anything. Start development server. All right, so first of all, let's restart this. And let us refresh this here. All right, let's try this one more time. Dog in space. Generate image. Compiled. So no image is displaying, which is lovely. Oh wait, it worked. It worked. I can right now. It freaking worked. All right, so let's go here. Let's go over here. Get the dog in space. Let's see what happens when I click this icon. Download. All right, this is crazy. This URL though looks insane. What is this? All right, let's do another one. Let's say, all right, that was a little strange, but whatever. Let's do cat eating ice cream. Generate the image. And maybe I could add like a loading bar or something. But right now, yeah, it's quite slow. Let me make sure my terminal, yeah, there we go. And now it's doing something. Not sure what it's doing, but doesn't look like it's doing exactly what I wanted to. But again, we can tweak this out later. But I mean, you guys just seen what we just did. It literally just created an AI image generator utilizing what, 4 prompts. So that's pretty crazy. I will have to tweak this up a little bit and freshen up, but that's actually kind of insane.